Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today I have my monthly Ipsy unbagging for you. So if you want to see what kind of cool products I got on my Ipsy bag this month, definitely keep on watching. For those of you who might be new here, thanks so much for checking this out. I'm a full-time working mom. I have 4 young children and I really love making videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, in addition to my experience on Poshmark. So if those kind of things sound like something you'd want to check out too, please consider checking out my other videos linked down below, and please also consider subscribing. It would really help me out as well. So again, for today's video, I'm just going to share with you what I got in my Ipsy bag this month, and this is May of 2020. And for those of you who are not familiar with Ipsy, Ipsy is a makeup subscription service, I should say makeup and skincare subscription service. And every month you get a glam bag full of 5 different beauty products. Most of them are sample sizes, sometimes you get full-size products as well. And it's just kind of fun to try out new different items every month. And some of these items are surprises. They're customized to every person, so I don't really know exactly what I'm getting in this bag, so I want to share with you what I got. And just to put that out there, this video is not sponsored at all. This was not gifted to me. These opinions are completely my own, and I'm just a subscriber to the service, and I want to share with you what I get. I've been a subscriber for about, 3 or 4 years now, and really enjoy getting this every month. It's a little bit of a pick-me-up and a way to try new fun beauty products as well. So if you're interested in hearing what I got, I'm just going to go ahead and bust into here right now. And this is the glam bag. Just a beautiful pink glam bag. I always look forward to getting this in the mail and kind of seeing what fun things I have to try out. All right, so let's go ahead and pull this out. So it looks like I have a makeup brush. So sometimes if the brush is a little too big to fit in the cosmetic bag, they just throw it in on its own. So I'll talk about this in a few minutes. But here's the bag. Oh, this is a pretty little ombre bag. And I just love the cosmetic bags. As I've said before, what got me interested in Ipsy over some other subscription services that I have tried is I just love their little cosmetic bags. It's just a fun little accessory that you get every month. So I just love it. It's really beautiful ombre pink and yellow tone. It says Ipsy on it. So I'm just going to go ahead and dive into this. There's a beautiful pop of color, and it's branded on the inside with Ipsy as well, as you can see there, which is always fun. All right, so here's the flyer that tells us what is in the bag. Actually, no, it doesn't. So this one just tells about their add-ons. I will say that I don't get it because sometimes in the bags, at least the past several months, this handout will tell you the products that you have and describe them a little bit, but this one doesn't. This just tells you a little bit about how to apply some makeup, I think, some tips, but it doesn't really tell you much about the products. So I actually prefer if it tells you about the products because I want to know a little bit more about them. So I'm a little disappointed about that, but I don't know what the deal is, but that's what we got this month. So I guess I'll just try to tell you about these products on my own and see if I can figure them out. The first is this beautiful brush. So this is really pretty. So as you can see here, there's some glitter on the handle, which is really fun. And I think this is probably, looks like maybe a highlighter brush, maybe something like that. But it's a really pretty brush here. I do love the pink handle. I think that's really unique and pretty. But I really don't need a lot of brushes like I've talked about before, so I'm not that thrilled to get brushes. I rarely ever pick brushes if I can select them. But, you know, I'll try it out. I think the handle is really pretty, so I like that. The next product is, looks like this aloe gel sleeping mask. So it's a sleeping mask. Oh, it's a Korean product. I do like Korean beauty products, so I want to try this out. And it just helps moisturize and nourish dry skin. So this says you're supposed to leave it on overnight and then rinse with lukewarm water to remove in the morning. So I'm not sure how well it's going to work for me. Masks that I have to remove in the morning just don't usually work for me because of time's sake, but also, I don't know, the idea of having to remove something is just another thing I have to remember to do, and I just worry it's going to get on different things. If you have to remove it, apparently you're not supposed to leave it on your skin for that long, so I don't know how I feel about that. So this is sealed, so I won't open it right now, but I will give this a try and see how it is. I'm not thrilled about sleeping masks, but I will try it out, especially once you have to remove in the morning. I don't know, just not usually a fan of, but I will try it out. That's what the packaging looks like. Okay, so the next product I have here is an invigorating hand and body lotion. Sweet orange and elemi. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, 100% natural. So it looks like this is just a moisturizer. And it has shea butters and essential oils. And you're just supposed to apply it to your skin. Just all over, it says hand and body. Well, let's try it out. This one I will maybe open for you. I do like how these are sealed. Sometimes these little sample sizes, at least from Ipsy, don't come sealed, and I don't know how I feel about that, especially in this era, but these are sealed, which is nice. I don't necessarily know if the type of application is going to work for me because it's hard to get it out. As you can see here, you really have to kind of dip in here. So I really have no idea how you're supposed to get this stuff out. I have to like dip my finger in here and get a little bit. It's super thick, as you can see here. But I don't know how to get this out. So application for this is going to be really hard because it's kind of this thick plastic, so you can't really take it out very well, and it doesn't really come out even if you jab it on your skin like this. Because it's so thick, you can't really take it out. So this is kind of a mess, to be honest with you. But here is the thickness of the cream. It's super thick cream. So I think it will be hydrating. There is that orange scent, which is nice, but it's definitely not strong at all. So I think that will be nice, and it's a very thick texture, which sometimes is perfect, especially at night. I like wearing these thicker creams because you feel like you're just locking the moisture in. So I do like the texture and the scent, but I have no idea how I'm supposed to get the product out. So I guess I might have to try to figure out a solution, but I feel like a lot of it will be wasted just because I can't get it out. It's just like a regular jar like this, as you can see. So I don't know, let me know if you have any ideas of how to get products out like this, but this is one of my pet peeves where it's just hard to get the product out. But I will try and see what I can do, but there's what the bottle looks like. I do like the texture and the scent though, so I think that's definitely a bonus. Okay, so that's the third product. And then the fourth product is this thing, and oh, this is a concealer. It's Yensa, it says. It's a skin-on-skin BC concealer. It's a BB and CC full coverage concealer. And I believe it's in, yeah, medium warm, which I think will be okay for me. Usually those kind of medium tones are good for me. Let's see how it looks. I'm happy about this. I need a new concealer, as I mentioned. I have my Sephora VIB sale unboxing that I'm going to put live hopefully soon. I'm waiting for one other product to come. The shipping has been horrible, as you probably all experienced as well, such that I got some of my order earlier, but I was waiting to film that video because I have some other ones still coming. And as you'll see in that, I did pick up a concealer, so I definitely need a new concealer. So I'm happy to try this version. Here's what the packaging looks like. I'm not familiar with this company or brand. Let me know if you are and if you like their products. But any kind of concealer I really need these days. I have a lot of hyperpigmentation, as you've probably seen in other videos, so I use a lot of concealer, and I'm just out of the one I had now, so I wanted to find a new one. But here's what this one looks like. So I think it's pretty. I think this probably will be okay for my skin tone. There you go. Especially when I blend it in, I think it'll probably be okay. So I'm going to try it out and see if that works out for me. Yeah, I think that tone probably is okay for concealer. It's maybe a little bit yellowy, but I think it may work. So I'll try that out for sure. Okay, and then the last product is the product that I customize. So now with Ipsy, every month you're able to pick one product out that you can customize and let them know what you want out of a selection of so many. And this is the one that I picked out this month, and it's from Tarte. I love these. This is the H2O gloss, and this is called Below Deck. I mean, look at how cute this is. So I love these for my purse. I think they're just perfect. I do love Tarte products, especially their lip products, so I wanted to check this one out. I haven't tried this formulation before, but I do love Tarte, so I'm sure I'm gonna love it. And I like the color. It's just kind of a pinky nude. So let's swatch a little bit here for you. So I think I'm gonna like this. It does not feel sticky when I apply it to my hand, and the color is really pretty. This is the kind of color I like, this little bit of a pinky nude kind of color. So here's what the gloss looks like. So it's super pretty. I'm excited to try this. I think it's perfect for summer. So that'll be a really, really fun gloss. I'm really happy I picked that one out. I just love lip products like a lot of you do. So if there's a lip product choice, I often gravitate toward it. But that's what that Tarte H2O gloss looks like. I think that's really pretty. That's probably my favorite product in this bag. I just love it. So I'm excited about this, that's for sure. Okay, so that was a quick video, but that's it. Those are my 5 products. This month's bag, I would say, is a little bit of a miss for me. I think I'm excited about probably the concealer and this Tarte gloss. The other 3 products, for the reasons I mentioned, just not totally thrilled about. And not every month is good in Ipsy, I'll say, because you don't really know what you're going to get. Some months are good, some months are all not so good. So I think this month, I'd say it's kind of a not so good month, to be quite honest with you. But still, it's fun to try out these new things. I do have 2 products that I really am excited to try and like. So it's all right. I don't mind too much, but it's definitely not a winner for me this month. Okay, so let me know what you like from your bag this month, and if there are any products that I need to add on for add-ons in Ipsy and I need to check out, please let me know as well. Otherwise, definitely don't forget to check out my other videos linked down below and hit subscribe if you want to see some other beauty videos like this going forward. Otherwise, I hope you're staying safe and healthy with your family, and I will plan to see you again in my next video. Bye!